So this is the fudge room here at Bob Roth, New River Groves. And inside that room is where they have tons of snacks and fudge and all of your goodies. So I'm going to take you guys inside so you can see fudge being made and all the different types that they have. These are alligator chocolate fudge. Because you know, here in Florida, they eat a lot of alligators. And these are the boxes that you can buy, the pre-made fudge. So they have pumpkin, peanut praline, pumpkin fudge, apple pecan pie, pumpkin pecan fudge, key lime fudge, chocolate key lime, peanut butter fudge, maple fudge, apple pie, penucci fudge. Okay, that's interesting. Chocolate orange, chocolate amaretto, and vanilla. Everything is made here fresh, right in the back there. Let's go check on the fudge that she's making. The first batch is the chocolate fudge. And this second batch is gonna be just a base, like a vanilla fudge that she's gonna use to flavor and make different types of fudge. So make some Rocky Road. So we're starting off with that chocolate fudge base. So this is walnuts. And you mix or pushing down. So, Rocky Road. So this is chocolate with sprinkles. This one is gonna be a Valentines themed fudge. So this is the orange flavor. Go in with some orange food coloring. This one is toasted coconut.
Cookie and cream.
Cookie and cream. Yes.
Yes, we're gonna make chocolate orange.
Chocolate orange.
Fudge. We're gonna make chocolate amaretto.
Chocolate amaretto.
Yes. And something with cherry.
Oh,
because
okay.
it's Valentine's.
Yes, it's Valentine's coming up. So the next one is toasted coconut. Toasted coconut at the bottom, vanilla fudge here, and now some coconut flavor. And this one is McCormick, so you can get this in the supermarket. Do you make your own toasted coconut?
Yes.
I need to come and see when they make the granola. You know, when his daughter makes the
Yeah.
granola.
Yeah, usually they make this on Saturday.
Yeah.
I make this together using long time to make it.
Rum and raisins next.
Raised.
So to make the rum and raisin, she has raisins, and then we're going to go in with rum flavor, or like rum essence. Now she's going to go in with some more of that rum flavor.
Mix everything. You have to mix really well because
Once you have your base, it's really easy. You just flavor and pour. And then just leave it to set. Yummy. After she put the vanilla and chocolate in here. Here we have some more vanilla, and we're gonna flavor this one with the raspberry. And it's real raspberries. That smells so good. So this is the raspberry mix going on top. And that's it. Now we have to leave it to set overnight, and then tomorrow we'll cut and show you guys. So to make this cappuccino, we're starting off with the base vanilla mixture. So this is a coffee paste for the cappuccino. Have one layer in the pan, and then in this container she's gonna add that chocolate mixture to some of that same vanilla base. That's not chocolate, that's coffee mixture. She's adding that coffee mixture to this vanilla base, and she'll mix that in. So now you mix that coffee mixture with the vanilla, and this is your cappuccino that you're making here. So this is the cappuccino fudge going on top of that vanilla fudge. It looks like caramel, right? Mm-hmm. Wow. So this is the base for the cookies and cream. You just take Oreos and you blend it up or pulse it until it gets to a chunky fine consistency, and then to this you will add the vanilla base fudge. So once you have your base and your cookie mixture, you just mix until fully incorporated. This one. Yeah. I love this one. Pretty. So now we're going to make some cherry flavor. Wow. I have to get all the cherries incorporated. Very pretty. Yeah. So this is birthday cake. So we're gonna go in with the birthday cake flavoring. So this is the birthday cake. So we're decorating it with some purple sprinkles first. I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now for the Amaretto flavor. So we're starting with that vanilla fudge base. Red. So this is the fudge set the next day. This is chocolate, vanilla, rocky road. This is another chocolate here, milk chocolate, rum and raisin. This is cherry. This is amaretto, orange chocolate, coconut crunch, toasted coconut crunch,
Chocolate raspberry dream.
chocolate raspberry dream.
Dark chocolate.
Yeah, I showed them dark chocolate and the vanilla. Look how pretty. This one smells amazing.
Like, what is this one? Now, what is that?
This one is chocolate orange.
Chocolate?